China just showed off some of its most advanced and alarming military hardware, from torpedo-shaped autonomous submarines to nuclear missiles on trucks to glide weapons traveling at hypersonic speeds. Weapons that signal a new era in warfare, one that's faster, stealthier, and much harder to defend against. Welcome to Technality. Today we're breaking down 3 of the most powerful and future-forward systems unveiled at China's 2025 Victory Day Parade. Let's start with something that moves and terrifies. This is the DF-61, a brand new road-mobile intercontinental ballistic missile capable of carrying a nuclear warhead thousands of kilometers away. Unlike older ICBMs that need fixed launch sites, the DF-61 can fire from just about anywhere, with no warning. It's part of what military analysts call a survivable deterrent. Because of its mobility, it's much harder to detect and target. That makes it more likely to survive the first strike and retaliate. According to Chinese officials, it's also more accurate and faster to deploy than any previous version. But what really stood out? It's part of a bigger picture. China's newly revealed nuclear triad, with land, air, and sea-based nuclear options now fully visible to the world. Next up, a weapon that's harder to see but just as deadly. Meet the AJX-002. It looks like a torpedo, but it's actually an autonomous underwater drone. Designed for stealth and long-duration missions, this drone could one day patrol oceans on its own, no humans required. Its role? Think underwater surveillance, naval sabotage, and even kamikaze-style strikes against enemy vessels. And it's part of a growing trend. Nations are racing to deploy unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs, to patrol strategic waters like the South China Sea. Because when warfare goes beneath the surface, it's not just submarines that matter. Now for the fastest weapon in the mix. The YJ-21 is one of China's newest hypersonic glide missiles. It launches like a regular missile, but once in the air, it detaches and glides towards its target at over 5 times the speed of sound. Its irregular flight path makes it extremely hard to intercept, and it can launch from land, sea, and even bomber aircraft, giving China flexible, fast strike capabilities far beyond its borders. And unlike traditional ballistic missiles, hypersonics like this don't arc into space, making them the nightmare of modern air defense. China's 2025 parade wasn't just about showing off weapons. It was a message, one that said, we've modernized, we're ready, and we're not hiding. From underwater drones to mobile nukes to hypersonic missiles, these aren't just tools of defense, they're part of a high-stakes arms race shaping the future of global security. The technology is fast, the escalation is real, and the era of high-tech deterrence has officially arrived. Let us know what you think, and keep watching Technality for all things future, tech, and humanity.